Welcome back, Fat Boys. Today we're talking about the Bassani Radial sweepers and my 1-year review on them. So let's get into it. So now that I've had these Bassani Radial sweepers for just about a year now, I'm absolutely loving them. The main reasonings are for the aesthetic as number one. It really helps the line of the bike keep its shape. It keeps moving down and back, and it really helps that smooth line across the bike. The second reasoning is because they're loud. I wanted pipes that are going to be super loud. I wanted loud pipes because when I got this bike, it was completely corked up. It was super quiet. It sounded almost like a sewing machine, and I absolutely hated the sound of this bike when I first got it. I knew that the first thing I was going to want to get would be the louder pipes. And so what did I do? I overcompensated. I ended up getting some of the loudest pipes you can get. There's absolutely zero baffling inside of this, and it is absolutely roaring loud. Let's go ahead and turn it on for a little bit of a sound. These things are just super loud, straight pipe, and it just goes right down to the ground and bounces back up at everyone. I love that because it allows everyone around me to know that I'm there. And I know there's the people that say loud pipes don't save lives. It doesn't really make that much of a difference, but I can tell you with these pipes and just how loud they are, I have noticed a difference. People hear me coming from a mile away. Even when I'm going up against people, they constantly say, I can't even hear my bike when I'm in front of you. They constantly say, I hear your bike over my bike. And getting into the number one thing that I don't like about this bike is I've now had this for just about a year, and as you can see right here, it has already started to rust on the heat shield. I believe I've just got a bad batch, and I'm trying to get in contact with Bassani for a couple months now, trying to get them to get back to me and fix this problem, but they still have not gotten back to me. I'm constantly trying to reach out to them, and my Harley dealer is also trying to reach out to them, but this does need to be fixed. The heat shields should not be rusting this bad. All in all, these pipes are really fucking nice. I love the look of them. I really love the aesthetic that it creates on the bike, and I also love the sound that they produce. But all in all, amazing pipes. You cannot go wrong with purchasing these. The power is still there even though there is the straight pipe. I've noticed a good percentage increase in my power and torque numbers. Anyways, you cannot go wrong with purchasing these. So if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell notification, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.